Welcome to my channel. In ASP.NET Core using C Sharp, a worker service is a type of background service application designed to perform long-running or periodic tasks independently of user interaction. It's structured to run continuously, handle background processing, can be hosted and deployed in various environments. Benefits of worker service. Background processing capability. Efficient resource management. Scalability and performance. Built-in dependency injection and configuration. Integration with logging and monitoring. Flexible deployment options. Summary. Worker services in ASP.NET Core provide a robust framework for building background processing applications. They are ideal for scenarios requiring continuous execution of tasks such as data processing, periodic jobs, or integration tasks without the need for direct user interaction. By leveraging the .NET generic host, dependency injection, and logging capabilities, worker services offer a scalable and maintainable solution for handling background tasks in your applications. Open Visual Studio 2022. Search for worker service template in search bar. Select the worker service template and click Next. Configure your new project window opens, give the name of the application accordingly, and you can change your application location, then click on Next. Then an additional information window opens. In that select framework, we are using .NET 6.0. You can use any from the drop-down, then click on Create. By default, a worker class that extends background service class will be created. Let's execute and see what happens. Now to execute, we can click F5 or click on Run button. After clicking on Run, we can see the console that displays the message in execute async method for every second. It is because of the line await task. Delay method, as we are having input to delay method as 1000 milliseconds. Build and run the application. It is displaying the console for every second. Now let's check delay. We delayed by 2000 milliseconds and log the result using log information method. Again build and run the application. It is displaying the console for every 2 seconds. Stop the running solution and right click on the project, then click on add, then click on class. Then we are directed templates, give the class name and click add. Now add a method named worker that returns a string. Add try catch for exception handling. Now declare a string variable, name it as result. Let's assign the message to be displayed to the result variable statically. That is, welcome to worker service and return result. As we need to display that message, we need to call that class in the worker class, execute async method. To call the worker method from worker service processing, we need to create object, or we can directly assign the values using new keyword like this. As worker method is returning string, we are storing the return message in a string variable called result and logging that message. Now let's save, build and run the application. Now we can see a console that displays welcome to worker service for every 2 seconds. To host this service in a Windows virtual server, we need to add a dependency from NuGet packages. Right click on dependency folder and click on the manage NuGet packages. Then search for the package to be added, that is Microsoft.extensions.hosting.windows services. And click on that package in list of items and select the version as 6.1, as we have created the application in .NET 6.0 framework, and click on install button on the right side. To check whether the package is added or not, click on the packages in dependency and we can see our added package here. After that, go to program.cs class and add use Windows service. Save and build the application. To host the service, we need published files. So right click on the application, click on publish option. Then a published window is open. Select folder among the options, click next. We will get a window to store our published files in a local path. Give your file's location and click on finish and then click on close. In publish tab on the right corner, click on the publish button. Now the published files will be generated in the location provided. To host it in Windows Server, we need to open command prompt in administrator mode. For hosting it in services.msc, we should create the service using sc.execute service name bin path. Have to give .exe path from the published files path. Service name bin path. Have to give .exe path from the published files path. Next, enter. It will show us create service success. Open run and give services.msc and click enter. A window with services opens. In that we can check whether our service created or not. For that, check your service name. Here is my service. To describe the services, give this command se description service name the description about the service. Next, click enter. Now go to Services window and refresh it to see the description of the service. Now the service is in stop mode. We need to start it by giving sc.exe start service name this command. To check the service started or not, go to Services window and refresh it, and we can see that our service has been started. We can stop it by giving sc.exe stop service name command. To check the service stopped or not, go to Services window and refresh it, and we can see that our service has been stopped. To remove the service permanently from the services window, we should use the following command sc.exe delete service name. To check the service is removed or not, go to Services window and refresh it, and we can see that we are unable to find our service. In this video, I am highlighting the important commands. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.